In today's video, we will explore the exciting world of MBA education in India and the crucial role of the Common Admission Test or CAT. Whether you are considering an MBA to enhance your career prospects or looking for tips on acing the CAT, you are in the right place. So let's dive in and unlock the potential of your future together. An MBA is a gateway to numerous career opportunities. Hello and welcome to Mentor Me. We are thrilled to have you here on our channel where we empower aspiring professionals like you to achieve your dreams. With over 3,000 MBA colleges in India, including prestigious institutions like the IIMs, XLRI and SPJIMR, the demand for quality education is at an all-time high. To secure a seat in these top B schools, aspiring candidates must clear the CAT, a highly competitive entrance exam. Conducted annually, CAT assesses candidates in three key areas: verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. In 2023, over 2.5 lakh candidates appeared for the exam, with the highest percentile reaching 99.98. Success in CAT not only opens doors to IIMs but also to numerous other top-tier business schools that accept CAT scores. Preparation is crucial. Many students opt for coaching institutes which offer structured programs, mock tests, and personalized guidance. These resources help candidates identify their strengths and weaknesses, ensuring a well-rounded preparation strategy. While CAT is a significant milestone, it's essential to keep your options open. Consider other entrance exams like XAT, NMAT or SNAP to broaden your chances of admission into a quality MBA program. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of MBA education and the CAT exam in India. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring as you consider your own path to success. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Mentor Me and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Remember, your future is bright and with the right guidance and preparation, you can achieve your goals. Until next time, keep learning and stay motivated. Do watch Mentor Me's live webinar by Mr. Prashant Sugand, the co-founder of eCoaching, as it would be the best gateway to top B schools for all the MBA aspirants out there. Do check our playlist and live streaming videos on our channel for tips and tricks to crack the CAT exam.